You've heard a parrot copy a human voice, but here's the twist. Parrots don't have vocal cords. They're remixing the world using a syrinx, a specialized sound organ that lets them mimic almost anything. Let's sprint through the facts. First, the feet. Parrots have zygodactyl toes, 2 forward, 2 back, so they can grip like rock climbers. They can handle food like it's in a tiny hand. That precision grip pairs with a strong, hooked beak. The beak cracks nuts. It even acts like a third limb for climbing. Color isn't just for show. Vibrant feathers help camouflage among flowers. Vibrant feathers help camouflage among foliage. Feathers also send social signals. Plus, parrots can see ultraviolet light. That helps them spot ripe fruits. And plumage cues we can't see. Longevity? Some species push 80 to 100 years. Owning one isn't a phase, it's practically a lifetime commitment. On intelligence, a few species rival great apes in problem solving. Alex the African gray could count and grasp same versus different. Parrots solve puzzles. They learn rules. They even use tools. Some use pebbles to crush shells. They're social to the core. Wild flocks use complex calls. Many pairs mate for life. Where do they live? Mostly tropical and subtropical regions in Australasia, South America, Africa. Outlier, the Kia. The world's only alpine parrot roaming snowy New Zealand peaks. Diet: omnivores, seeds, nuts, fruits, buds, flowers, sometimes insects. The hard part: over a third of parrot species are threatened by habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Ethical choices matter. Support conservation and reputable legal sources only. Thinking of getting one? Expect loud, messy, and energetic. They need big cages, specialized avian vets, hours of social time, constant mental stimulation, puzzles, foraging activities, tough toys, or you'll see biting, screaming, feather plucking. Parrots aren't just pets, they're problem-solving, they're long-living, they're ultraviolet-seeing athletes, they have beaks for hands. Respect the bird and it'll blow your mind for decades.